It's time for us to move on and go to our next destination.
Today we're moving to the heart of Phu Quoc into a studio apartment. In this Vietnam apartment tour, we're showing you exactly what $460 a month can get you, taking you inside a local supermarket to check out grocery prices. And finally, after years of eating out, we're going to cook our own food.
Oh, he knows we're leaving. Look at how he's looking at our Grab. Our Grab came, so we need to go now. But we'll see you soon. I forgot my purse.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you. Thanks.
Bye-bye. So we have arrived. Look at how many dogs are here. Hello.
And so who wants a second floor?
Second floor, okay. Let's go. Welcome to our new home for the next 2 weeks. It's beautiful. It's an apartment studio with a bedroom, living room, kitchen, and a balcony. This is the first time you're gonna see us cook here in this place.
That's very exciting.
I miss cooking for us. We're gonna go now and do grocery shopping, and tonight I'm gonna cook something very, very delicious.
Our first impression is 9 of 10. Internet is blazing fast. The ping is only 12 milliseconds. And the download speed is about 100 megabits per second.
I like the living area, it's really nice. And the most what I'm excited is the kitchen. We've been craving homemade food for a long time.
Hello.
After checking in, it's time to visit one of the most famous and biggest supermarkets on the island. Since our hotel is just a 10-minute walk from the main street, we pass by so many resorts and hotels along the way. The walk is so pleasant, surrounded by nature, palm trees, and even plenty of chickens roaming around. And the best part, Phu Quoc offers free bus that takes you to all the major spots on the island. So we're hopping on the bus and heading straight to the market.
Okay, our bus is here, so let's get in.
Let's go.
Let's go. Hello. And we have arrived at the King Kong market. So let's the grocery shopping begin. So let's get some vegetables, some red peppers. One is 15. So that's about 30 cents. We got bread. One is 20, which is about 80 cents. We got some ground beef, which is grass-fed. It's about 90,000.
It's about 370
US dollars. Okay. So let's see what else we're gonna get. So we'll get carrots, and the carrots are 16, which is about 20 cents. Okay. What else do we get? Okay, so correction, it's 63 cents. And cucumbers, 20.
20?
Yes. So we got 79 cents, okay? What else do we get? We get some fruits. What fruits do you like? Yeah, let's get these apples. They're 119.
$4.07.
Okay. And 47 tomatoes.
$1.86.
$1.80, okay. What else we gonna get? Oh, we need to get this. This is actually, guys, my favorite fruit. It's a rose apple. I love rose apples. So this is 43, and they're clean and ready to be consumed. So we're also getting some pepper and salt. It's mixed, so we save money this way, 22. So we want to get some rice. is very small. I've never seen such a small rice before, but let's give it a try. So we need some oil too. It's 24. Okay. Peppers. I want you guys to comment below how much do you think everything that we bought cost. We also got cheese and salami too. So let's see how much will be everything. So far it's 138,000. So this is the final bill for everything that we got. So we finished with our grocery shopping and we are going to the hotel. We just got the grub, so let's enjoy the ride. Just arrived and the doggies are waiting for us. Thank you, bye-bye. And just like that, we are back in the hotel. The whole trip took us less than 20 minutes. Hello. Everything we got cost $1,134,733. It's $44 US. We got ground beef, mayo, peppers, carrots, roast apple, apples. We got Coke, tomatoes, spices, French bread, cheese, butter, milk, pickles, oil, snacks, French bread. That's all for $1,134,000. Do you think the price is worth it for everything we got for $44? I would like to hear your opinion. So comment below and let us know.
Today we're gonna have homemade dinner. We're gonna show you how, not me, but my wife.
We're gonna show you what we're gonna have for dinner today. 1 year, 7 months, we haven't had a kitchen. We consider this a kitchen. And it's like a little stove. And basically that's all. So we got some bell peppers today.
They're huge.
Yeah, we got some bell peppers.
They look very good though.
And we're gonna do stuffed peppers. I love my carrot. It's delicious. I already prepared carrots, tomatoes, garlic, and I mixed them. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some pepper and salt inside. Okay, I'm just gonna peel all this plastic.
There we go.
Okay, so we got some seafood oil.
Seafood oil?
Yeah, we never tried seafood oil before.
What is that? Seafood oil? I've never seen that before.
Yeah, so, and I'm gonna pour this oil in the pan. And meanwhile, let me peel all the plastic. And we already went through the prices, so you know what everything costs. So this one is 16 dong, I think it was.
I have the calculator. I'm gonna give you the right price in US dollars. So 60,000, right?
Yes, 16,000 and
16,000 as of the rate today. It's 63 cents. So what's the difference between the yellow one and the red one? I know.
so the yellow one has different vitamins.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So every color got different,
exactly.
different vitamins.
Every color has different vitamins. So the oil, it's already getting ready. Let's pour all this inside. Okay. It smells so good. I'm excited because I haven't cooked this for a very long time. You guys, if you have a kitchen, appreciate it. So I put some pepper and salt. Smells so good. While we're waiting for the beef to cook, we're gonna prepare the rice. And the beef looks good, looks ready. So let's pour the rice inside. And now we're gonna close a little bit.
Smells so good.
Smells delicious. I wish we had some herbs to add, like lemongrass or something. We just didn't see any in the store today. I bet they had some, but we just didn't see them. And the ground beef is ready, and we're ready to stuff the peppers. Look how nice it is.
Looks good, huh?
Yes, looks amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and stuff the first pepper. This one is a little bit bigger. This is done. We get a piece of onion and we just close it. So this way we don't lose the rice.
Like a cap.
Yes. And we'll pour some water. Close. And that's it. And voila, they're done. The peppers are ready, and I already put them on plates. They're served with cold yogurt.
That's a plain yogurt, right?
Yeah, plain yogurt.
No sugar inside.
No sugar. You just put the yogurt on the top.
It looks so delicious.
And once you put the yogurt, top it with some paprika. And then you can put a little bit black pepper. And this is our meal, ready to eat. I'm cutting the pepper. And this is how it looks inside. Smells so good. And you just add the yogurt inside. And we're ready to have dinner now.
Yeah, guys. Cheers.
Cheers, guys, to a new adventure.
Yeah,